go in and see our recap, we can go to the bottom here, click cycle recap, able to see all the information there. And we're also able to take a look at the exemptions, which are available to us. The exemptions here are the adverse driving conditions for any issues with weather, and we need to get a couple more hours. You have your off-duty deferral, yard movement, and personal conveyance, which is 75 kilometers. In the case you need to use any of these, let's say we're going to be using personal conveyance. You click start, enter in a reason why. In this case, let's just say going to lunch. Apply, and we are currently using personal conveyance. Keep in mind, you only have 75 kilometers. As soon as we turn ignition off, personal conveyance will end. If we need to drive personal conveyance again, we do need to select it. In this case, I'm going to manually stop it by clicking stop over here. And if I go back up, you'll notice everything is back to normal.